Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking at today's modern warfare, it is important to have a sophisticated and modern unmanned vehicle platform in the service of the military forces. Of course, to maintain defense, especially when you feel increasingly threatened by various enemy platforms. One of the unmanned vehicles, which must be owned, is the Schiebel Camcopter S-100, which is an Austria-made drone with a configuration similar to a helicopter and has been proven operationally in military and civilian applications. In this case, the Schiebel S-100 Camcopter is designed to be able to carry out a variety of missions, including long-range reconnaissance, general surveillance, border patrol, fire control, target designation, damage assessment, mine detection, and other marine roles. Known as a versatile unmanned air system, the Camcopter S-100 has a variety of capabilities, including being able to launch quickly, having superior mission endurance, and being equipped with high-performance sensors to find, track, and identify targets. However, one of the interesting things about the drone is its different takeoff features if we compare it to drones in general. The S-100 can perform vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, and is fully automated and can air day or night even in adverse weather conditions. When flying, this small helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight of about 200 kilograms or 440 pounds and has an empty weight of about 110 kilograms, and its flight endurance in the air can be operated for up to 6 hours and can be extended to more than 10 hours because it has an external fuel tank. For its aerial propulsion, the Camcopter S-100 is equipped with a single 50-horsepower Diamond engine, which produces a maximum speed of about 240 kilometers per hour and has a speed of about 180 kilometers per hour. Then it has an operating speed in the air of 100 kilometers per hour, as well as being able to fly at an altitude of 5,500 meters or 18,000 feet. In addition, the S-100 has advantages, which can be set to carry out combat missions. Because this vehicle has a heavy payload of up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds. Thus, it can carry various payloads such as electro-optics, infrared sensors, and also armament of 2 missile units, namely the LMM lightweight multi-role missile, produced by the Thales Air Defense Company. The LMM missile weighs 13 kilograms and has a warhead weight of 3 kilograms. It is an air-to-surface missile, which uses a fragmented warhead and is capable of cruising at Mach 1.5. Launching with a 2-stage solid propellant motor, made by Roxel Propulsion Systems, RPS, this missile can shoot as far as 8 kilometers with semi-active laser guidance and infrared homing terminals. Although not officially as UCAV. However, the Camcopter can be integrated with more advanced weapon systems. Among them, it can be integrated with maritime radar, ESM, electronic support measure, and FLIR forward-looking infrared sensors, allowing for more effective use in combat operations. From the operator's side, the S-100 is equipped with a ground control station, GCS, with a mission control screen, which can provide real-time video information from the pilot's camera. These include flight data displays, as is common on modern aircraft, and infrared mounted on UAVs, allowing operators to take images even in adverse weather conditions. Meanwhile, the S-100 navigates automatically via GPS waypoints, which are pre-programmed or can be operated directly with the pilot control unit. Missions are planned and controlled through a simple point-and-click graphical user interface. With a multifunctional display on the control screen, drones with fly-by-wire technology are able to provide information and warnings about systems on the plane and on the ground. Thanks to fly-by-wire technology, which is controlled by redundant flight computers, UAVs can complete their missions automatically in the most complex electromagnetic environments. Furthermore, the architecture and links it has can provide data with a high bandwidth and can simultaneously transmit multiple video streams and allows for simple integration of various payloads. Data link connection. This drone is able to reach a radius of up to 200 kilometers. This means that lost line of sight connections can be made up to that distance. Looking at the abilities they have, the S-100 Camcopter can strengthen the arsenal of reconnaissance drones in the air and can operate simultaneously like helicopters and other drones. This is also because it has an internal fuel tank capacity of about 58 liters, and its external fuel tank can hold about 26 liters. Meanwhile, the Schiebel Camcopter S-100 produced by the Schiebel company in Vienna, Austria. It was first developed in 2003 to 2005 and was first put into operation in 2006. Since its launch, this drone has indeed been in demand among civilians and the military. With its first customer being the United Arab Emirates, it has also been accepted by the navies of Germany, France, United States, Norway, Italy, India, Pakistan, and Australia. And it should be noted Schiebel, which is headquartered in Vienna, Austria, was founded in 1951. In the beginning, Schiebel was an electronics company. Later, the company expanded into military products in the 1980s. In terms of its characteristics, the shape of the Camcopter S-100 drone has dimensions with a main rotor diameter of 3.4 meters, a total length of 3.1 meters, and a height of 1.12 meters. The S-100 Camcopter, which can glide fast and has advanced technology by providing endurance in long-range missions. Therefore, this type of unmanned vehicle is very suitable for use in modern warfare and is well suited for both military and civilian services, as well as in congested maritime environments.